Hey, what's going on, guys? So, in today's video, I am going to show you how to hide your followers and the people you're following on Instagram. So, let's start. All right, so first things first. So, in Instagram, there is no feature that allows you to hide your followers and those people following your account. But there are a few tricks that you can do to achieve this one. And the easiest way to do it is to make your account private. Now, this is how you make your account private. So first, let's go ahead and open up Instagram. Tap on your profile icon on the lower right corner. Tap on the three bars on the upper right corner and tap on settings. So here, tap on privacy, and here you should see private account, and all you have to do is turn this on. And now your account will be private. So if you are on a business account, first you need to switch your account to a personal account so you can do the steps. So that's it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time.